everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have some happy mail from Maremi Small Art, and I thought you might want to come along for the ride. So let's see what's inside. There are some beautiful butterflies on the other side, along with my address, so I will totally be trying to keep some of that. And I realized I opened this upside down, but bear with me. Oops. And now I ripped the Marta bag. Leave it to me. Oh no, I didn't. So I get for trying to open things upside down, huh? Okay. So, it looks like first up we have a cute little bag that's got the love washi. Aw, it's got candies in it. Let's see what we got. We got a cream fudge, a very melted, because I live in Texas and it was 110 today. Chocolate, it's very hot. I'm not sure. Super cool though. I'll have to let that cool. And then another one. Kukulka. Yummy, yummy. And then a very pretty card. These are her new flowers that she's been drawing. I think this is part of her new paper pad, maybe. Maybe made specially for her members. Oh look, I can color this one. Very nice. These are gorgeous, Marta. Thank you so much. These are part of her new paper pad. Very excited to use that. And then we have gorgeous wrapping. Oh, there's so much in here. Look at all that. How pretty. And I'll be keeping the ribbon as well. So these are gorgeous flowers. I should make a journal page with all the stuff she sent me. Pastel Caramel by 13 Arts. Very pretty. She taped it up, which was awesome. Very much appreciated because it came a long way. So look at that color. Very nice. Some leaves. Embellishments. Very cool. I like these. More gorgeous flowers. Little Birdie Elements by Little Birdie. Some chipboard. The Scrapanique. Oh, that one's cute. A paper pad that is Mente Papers Flora book. Ooh. It's a craft lab company. These are gorgeous. I'd definitely cut these out and use these in a journal page for sure. Every page is for fussy cutting. That's a lot of fussy cutting. Thank you, thank you. Oh, yay! Some gorgeous stencil. It is by ITD Collection. Mixed Media Decoupage, and it's bricks. I love her bricks also. but I'm excited to use that. So there is my gorgeous member Happy Mail from Maremi Small Arts. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.